Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix screen blinking black Chrome. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply update your drivers. So to do this, you could just simply go for the start menu and search for device manager. Now over here on your device manager, you could just simply go for the display adapters over here, and you will only have one. Now right click on it and you will have an option over here, update a driver. And now you could also search automatically for drivers. So when there is any available update, it will automatically be found and you should be able to update it over here. And since I have the latest version, as you can see, the best drivers for my device are already installed. Another option is you could just simply go to the three dots over here on the top right corner, and then you could go for the settings. Now here on the settings, you would just simply search for acceleration or accelerate. And from here, you would just simply disable this one over here. Use graphic acceleration when available. So make sure to turn that off. And once you turn it off, you could just simply select relaunch and it will reopen the Chrome to apply the changes, and mostly this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.